Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Today, we bought another foiler because I did a vote, y'all voted, and y'all won. It was kind of interesting to me how many people were like, you need to get another Grizzly or Kodiak. Guys, I want one. I've been searching for years. I just ain't found a good deal on them. Something about Grizzlies and Kodiaks, they just really love them, which is good because I love them too, but I wish they would go down. So what foiler did we get today? Bam! A Kawasaki Prairie 650. If you don't know what a Prairie is, it's just the brute force before they changed the name. Don't ask me why they changed the name, but we got some old school executionals. I'm sure some of y'all, like me, who's in the 30s, remember these. And all the young people probably don't, but they used to be some of the battle tiles, these, vampires, and outlaws. But sadly, they've kind of gone wayside now, but this thing has loads of power. I am truly shocked at how much power this thing has. So today, we're just going to ride it. We're ripping a little bit. Probably won't go too deep, but if we can get 50 likes, I'll put a snorkel on it, guys. 50 likes. I already got the snorkel. It's from that blue foil you probably saw a while ago, and it actually fits this. A lot of the 650 brute parts fit this thing, so I have the snorkel. Y'all give me 50 likes, I'll put a snorkel on it, even though I'm thinking about selling it. I'm gonna do a couple videos. If this video does really good, we'll keep it longer. If not, I'll just sell it and keep trading in and not go. Because we're still trying to build a shed. All of our stuff is just sitting outside. Really hate this. Don't look at the Hondas. Don't look at the Hondas. That's a Rincon and a Foreman 500 that I gotta rebuild. Anyways, let me slap on the GoPro and we'll go rip this thing around and we'll see what we can get into. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to go. Let's hope this thing don't break down. But I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna rip this thing. I was just so shocked at how much power this thing had. Oh, my neighbor was out mowing the grass again. Oh crap, tree, bad trees. I don't know much about Kawasaki, so I don't know if I should be putting it low right now, if I should leave it high. It seems to be fine and high. Oh crap. Honestly, this thing is kind of stiff. I ain't gonna lie, it's very stiff right now. When he sold it to me, I needed a belt because he said the belt box was leaking. So we put a lot of silicone. Let's hope that fixed it. I mean, it ain't as fast as my Can-Am, but it definitely isn't slow by any means. I would love to see what the IRS parts of this will do. This is a solid axle, and I think that's why it rides so stiff. Get down. Whatever clip this is here does not want to stay down. I mean, I don't remember how deep that is, but I don't think it's that. It looks pretty deep. Should we test? You know what? We're not gonna test our luck because there's definitely nobody here today. My wife is gone for a little while. She had to go get some stuff done. And my brother is also gone, so let's go to the other side. Go. It's a pine cone. I thought it was a toad. I'm about to say, let's grab it. I really gotta fix this. I don't know if there's a clip missing. If you know anything about brutes and prairies, let me know. Is there a clip or something missing now? Let's hope that I sealed the snorkel right. If not, we are gonna be in the quickest ride ever, which I did put a lot of silicone, so I'm hoping that fixed it. The guy said that the seal wasn't walking. Every brute I've ever been around always has silicone or something around the belt box, so I'm assuming they just don't seal very well. Tell me the truth, let's put it on low. I don't like this, the belt's already squealing. Let's hope it ain't too deep. That ain't that terrible. I think the 6x6 has made us. The 6x6 dug it out so bad there was a. Come on. Dang, the 6x6 gave us a run. That was all 6x6, guys. We've dug it out so much. Definitely can't go over there. Let's try it again. Whoa! Cold. Oh, voice. That's neutral. I'm trying to get used to this transmission. Badass other than the fact that, you know, it's solid axle. We got water on now? Or is it just squealing? I don't think we got water on there. There's plenty of silicone. I think it just squeals. Oops. Gotta put it low. Oh crap. What was I thinking here? We're gonna flip over. Don't flip over. We just bought this thing. Oh, diff lock. I don't know how diff lock walks on this thing. Come on, come on. Oh crap, oh crap. Not on this side, baby. This thing wants to go on its side so bad. One more time. Let's fling this way and see if we can hop up the L. Solid axle, come on. You know, for some 25-inch tires, it's doing really good. There's a dang snake in there. Hey, get out of my hole. Oh, he went under. Woo, that was cold. Well, this thing nosedives really bad. Hey. The channel is so bad, this thing rides like a fucking Bronco. Holy crap, mama, mama, ooh, the four-wheeler's trying to kill me. Ah! Oh yeah, she definitely got some waddle. That time she lost a lot of acceleration. Oh. You know how I just said it lost a lot of acceleration? I wonder why. It's in low. I was like, man, this thing's lost most of it lost a lot of power. It hit hard. Try that again. Oh, there we go. Now we got it. Whoa! This thing will literally just slide. You push it, it goes. You all right?
That's how he likes to get exercise.
I understand that, buddy. I used to like that too, but then I grew up and my legs don't keep up. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think she did pretty good. This is really just kind of beating on her, see what she does. I think she did good. At first, I thought that maybe the belt was getting wet, but the more I drove it, I said, if it's getting wet, I should be losing power, but I'm not. It's just squealing. It might just be the clutches. I don't know. I don't know much about the Brute or Prairie, whatever. Somebody's going to correct me every time I say Brute, but it's technically both. I mean, it's, you know? Anyways, guys, if you guys really like this thing, get us 50 likes, and we'll put a snorkel on it. If you don't get us 50 likes, we are definitely not putting a snorkel on. I ain't wasting the time or the effort if nobody likes this. But I hope people like this thing. I wanted to buy something different, and this is what I found that was different. It ain't a Honda. It's not a 300 or 500. You know, everybody buys the same things. Like, let's be honest, I was watching a YouTuber the other day. They got their third or fourth Renegade. It's like, that's all they get. Everybody just gets Renegade. Oh, I got an Outlander 850. It's like, guys, we got to switch it up. My videos might suffer because of it, but at least I ain't the same person. Holy crap, here comes the jet. He's gonna bomb us! Anyways, guys, I will see y'all on the next one. Later.